So my parents living in Germany, like they told me that I should come back to the United States because I am American, and my grandma lives in Hudson, Ohio, and she suggested Bowling Green to my older brother, who's an education major, because BG is a great school for education. My older brother was like, sure, why not? Like, we didn't know a ton about any colleges in the US. And then I was super close to my brother, and he had just told me about how great Bowling Green was and how much fun he had. And I really watched him come into his own at Bowling Green, and just like seeing how happy he was and how okay that he was with not like having his family around and not seeing his family often, but like being okay. I was like, that's the kind of environment that I want to be in. I think the most challenging part about having my family so far away is breaks. When Thanksgiving break, everybody goes home to see their parents, or spring break, that sort of thing. I don't have those same opportunities, but for example, Easter this year, my roommate invited me to come home with her to her family's Easter, and it was great. And it was just like amazing how I found somebody here that like was willing to take me in, her whole family take me in for a holiday, spend the whole day with me and really make me feel like I was at home. So I think having them far away has been really hard, but it's also shown me how lucky I am and shown like how great my friends are.